How to install TikTok app on Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to install TikTok on your Android phone, well, in today's video I'll show you how to download and install TikTok safely. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Play Store app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the search section, simply tap on the search bar at the top and simply type in TikTok and search for it. And now here, from the search result, simply tap on TikTok. And now here, once you see the interface like this, there you simply have to tap on install button. And after that, the installation process will start. Now here, depending on the internet speed, you have to wait for a few seconds while the app downloads and installs. And now here, once you have downloaded the app, there you'll see the open button. So there you simply have to tap on it and TikTok will launch on your phone, and after that you can simply log in or sign up for a new account. And that's it. That's how you can download TikTok on Android phone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.